Hi, my name is David Dorrier, and I will be facilitating this workshop, Mastering Facilitation, Engage, Empower, and Excel. One of the things that you can definitely expect during this workshop is engagement. I'm going to be demonstrating the skills to be a great facilitator. And one of the ways to be a great facilitator is to engage your audience, to get your audience doing things, thinking, imagining, getting their brains to be like theater of the mind. There's many different ways that you can engage your audience. And what I hope to show you during these 90 minutes is some ways that you can immediately engage your audience the next time you facilitate a training, a meeting, or maybe you're going to be creating a workshop or have a workshop. So I look forward to meeting you at the event, Mastering Facilitation, Engage, Empower, and Excel.